The sound of kindness. What is the sound of kindness? How does kindness talk? We can learn by listening. Let's take a kindness walk. Good to see you. Want to play? I will help. That's the way. You can do it. That sounds fair. Oh, I'm sorry. We can share. You're my friend. Let's rest a bit. You go first. Here, come sit. We'll work together. I'm learning too. Hold my hand. I like you. I believe you. Here, take mine. We hear the sound of kindness when we listen to the day. We fill our world with kindness, with words we choose to say. The end.